Olympiad success? Anybody? Okay, Rutra says yes. All right, nice. Okay, Pranchu says yes. But then why all of you have turned off the of your videos? Okay, Aradhya is back. Right. Hi, Zyrene. Okay, so let us start with the session then. Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. So students, as we were discussing today, we are here for a demo and interaction program for Vedic mathematics. So the first and foremost requirement for it would be to have a pencil and a notebook with you all handy. Do you all have or not? Okay, now I cannot see anyone. Okay, Lalna says she has. And what about others? So in case if you're not having a pen and paper with you, just go and bring it quickly because in today's session, this would be a must. Okay, so because you have to solve the questions and this would be required. Okay, Anshika, you have, Shriya has, Arathya has. All right, so most of the students have the notebook and pen or pencil with them. All right, so students, like we were discussing about, like today we have gathered here for a demo and introduction program for Vedic mathematics. Then do you know what Vedic mathematics is? Anybody can give me an answer? Just raise your hand, I'll unmute you also. Okay, anyone would like to speak up? Pranshu is raising his hand. Okay, Pranshu, I have sent your request to unmute.
Yes, ma'am. So Vedic mathematics means that means the tricks from our Vedic gurus from where we got to get calculations. In mainly Vedic mathematics is used in calculations, so that in our exams or in Olympiads, in math exams, we can do the calculation faster and we can save our time to do other maths in that time. Because in the normal method, it takes a lot of time.
Absolutely, very right, Pranshu. Thank you so much for a wonderful answer. And even Lalna says learning maths with formula. Yes, so it is more about, as Pranshu mentioned, it is more about the speed. Okay, so now kids, like in today's session, what we would be doing is, so first of all, there would be an introduction by your mentor, Supriya ma'am. After that, Rajan sir would be taking up a short presentation about this course. Post that, I will be taking you through the tour of the platform, and post that, we will be having a short question and answer round, wherein we will be discussing about your queries. So be prepared with your queries. You can write it down in the chat section, and we would be happy to answer all of them. Also, like after that, the main session for which you are here, like the demo session, that will start. So our regular sessions are of 75 minutes, but then this is a demo session, so it would be a bit of shorter duration. All right, so I would now like to invite Supriya ma'am. Yeah, Supriya ma'am is here. So Supriya ma'am, so she has been associated with Olympiad Success family for many years now, I would say. And she is a wonderful mentor, and she has been taking up these Vedic mathematics batches. So I would like Supriya ma'am to introduce herself to the students. So hi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello guys, how are you? No thumbs ups, nothing. At least smiles. Good, thank you. So, hello, my name is Supriya. So I'll be your mentor for the day. I worked as a software engineer. My interest in Vedic Maths has shaped me what I am today. Okay. And I want to tell you Vedic Maths has helped me personally as well as professionally. How it has helped? By increasing my self-confidence. So the main important thing is I want to tell you how important this course is. The very first and foremost thing is it is going to help to increase your confidence. If your confidence is increased, then you can see the glow in your faces, right? And it helps you to increase your concentration, and it helps you, as someone have already told, that it helps you in time management during your competitive exams, because time plays a crucial part in that time, in that period, right? So thank you so much. So I hope you people will enjoy learning with me. I can promise that I'll be teaching so many tricks. And now, and you will learn lot more tricks in the live classes. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Supriya ma'am. That is indeed wonderful. So, kids, she has already mentioned so many benefits of Vedic mathematics, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy her classes a lot. So now I would like to request Rajan sir to give a brief presentation about this course.
Sure, ma'am. So let me share my screen. So welcome students, welcome to the demo program of 5-6 Vedic Maths. Okay. So firstly, let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. We have Olympiad live classes, and this is our third year in live classes. We also have School Plus program. So in School Plus program, we offer three courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, both Vedic maths as well as coding. What else, students? We also offer online CBSE Plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 to 10 and one-on-one classes for international mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO, also JMIN preparation classes. Now, students, meet the rank holder for session 21-22. So many students in Olympiad Success got international rank. Okay, these are the students. Now about the Vedic math. So like Vedic math is an interesting ancient Indian system which was introduced for making a very fast calculation. Okay, so you will learn like how to solve Nishtha. If you do it again, I'll out you. Okay, please don't annotate on the screen. So students, what you're going to learn in this course, you will learn like how to solve the question very quickly without committing any mistake and become creative in terms of solving the problem. Eliminate the need of calculator from your day-to-day use. Okay. Now this is the detailed view syllabus. Like these are the topics which we are going to learn in this course, like how to do quick addition, square root, square and square root, fast division, fraction, and these are the topics we are going to cover in this course. So there will be a like 20 to 25 students in this course, and the classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. So the class will be conducted like 2 days per week. The days will be Thursday and Saturday. And the class timing will be 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. Okay. So there will be 20 number of sessions in this course. Syllabus link I will share with you in the chat box. Now the fees for this course is 4,960, and the course fee include online classes, and we will also provide you daily like reading material and exercises for the practice. The link I will share within the chat box. Now to join this course, students, what you need a laptop with internet speed and headphone. Okay, and as you know, students, like to learn the Vedic math trick, you need to do the practice. Okay, so practice is important. Now the live classes for this course we are going to start from 10th of November, and currently we having students from 3800 school, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, student. Now Artiman will give you a tour of Olympiad Success platform. After that, if you have any doubt, any query, just let me know. Okay, we will answer it. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a detailed presentation. So I'm sure, kids, you would have listened to him carefully because Rajan sir would be asking you many questions from his presentation, right? Okay, now let me share my screen and I'll take you through the tour of the platform. Okay, so kids, if you are having any questions, you can write it down in the chat section. So after finishing this tour, we will be taking up those questions. So what you have to do is, like, once you enroll to this program, you have to go to the website olympiadsuccess.com/login. You have to enter your credentials, and these credentials, that is the email and password, will be provided by us. To click on the sign in button, you would be redirected. Okay, I think so. I had entered some wrong. Okay, so you have to enter the email and password, click on the sign in button, and you would be redirected to the profile page. You have to complete your profile, and then only you can move to the other section on the dashboard. So the most important thing to you would be live classes. So you have to click on live classes tab. And on this page, you can see a list of subjects coming up. So this would vary for each of the students because this list is basis the subjects enrolled. So I've enrolled for all the subjects, and that is the reason all of them are coming. And what you have to do is you have to select your subject, let's say Vedic mathematics, select the topics. So all the topics would be given over here. I'll select your quick addition. So the reading material, practice question and answer keys related to the topic. Quick addition would be displayed over here. What you have to do is you have to just click on the link and a PDF will open up. And from the PDF, you can study, right? So here, as you can see, this is the content related to quick addition. And then there would be practice questions related to this. So here, if you see, all the questions would be given. So basically, these would be simple questions like multiplication, addition, okay? But then what the trick is here is that you don't have to use your calculator, okay? So what I would recommend is just turn on a timer and see like in how many minutes or how many seconds are you able to solve this. And then finally, you can compare your answers with the answer keys given by Olympiad Success, all right? Then we have the schedule button over here. If you click on this, the schedule would open up. So we have structured our entire syllabus into various sessions. So what we would be taking up in each of the sessions. So in session 1, quick addition. Session 2 would again be of addition, but then it would be the Shamshaha method, Vilokanam. Then session 3, it would be quick subtraction, so on. All right. Then we have the holiday calendar. So on this holiday calendar, the dates would be mentioned on which the classes will not take place. And finally, we have the Zoom meeting ID and password. So here your meeting ID and password will be displayed. So that is all about the platform, students. And now if we have any questions in the chat section, we can take up those questions. Okay, so our Rajan sir has shared the links and send links and class 6. Okay, so any questions coming up, students? Any questions? Or you would be directly asking Supriya ma'am few questions.
Anyone have any doubt related to course or anything? No? Okay.
So many no's are coming in, Rajan sir. Why don't you ask few questions and then we can start with the
Sure,
session.
ma'am. So students, can you tell me like what are the days for the classes? Waiting, you can write in the chat. Thursday and Saturday. Correct. Correct. The days are Thursday and Saturday. And what is the timing for the class? Not 6:30 to 7:30. Yes, it is 6:30 to 7:45. Correct. 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Okay, I think ma'am all are attentive here. We
Yes,
can start with the
that's
session.
really nice. Yeah, all of them are answering, and this is really nice actually.
Right,
And
ma'am.
one final question: in how many months will this course get completed? Harsh, we need more practical sessions, and it should be clearly explained. So absolutely, Vedic mathematics is all about solving the questions, learning the tricks. So it would not be a day's process, as mentioned by Rajan sir also during his presentation. So we would require an equal effort by your side too. So your mentor would be explaining all the tips and tricks and a proper flow, like what you need to do. But then it is up to you, like how much practice you do and become a champ, right? So I'm sure most of you would be knowing Shakuntala Devi. She has a record, Guinness Book of World Record. And can anyone let me know like what that record is? anyone quickly in the chat section, and then we can start. And yes, I wait for the answer to my question and how many months this course will get completed. Yes, I know she was a mathematician, but then my question is, what is her Guinness Book of World Record of solving the maths most quickly for being the fastest human calculator? Yes, but then what is her record? She is the fastest human calculator that everybody knows, right? But then what is her record? Like, what did she do? Can you repeat your question? So, Rudra, I'm asking all the kids is that what is the record set up by Shakuntala Devi, and it is recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records. Yes, absolutely. So it is multiplying a 13-digit number by a 13-digit number. This is the answer. So it's not just 13-digit number. So it is multiplying a 13-digit number by a 13-digit number. And in how many seconds did she do this? Okay, Pranshu is ready with the answer. All right, Pranshu. So in 28 seconds, this multiplication was done. That's really wonderful. So this would be coming like this, absolutely comes with practice only. So Supriya ma'am will make sure that she clears all your doubts, all your queries. She makes you understand all the tips and tricks, which would be helpful for you to, do the calculations really fast. Okay, so it is 28 seconds. I remember, Deepak. And to the next question, in how many months will this course get completed? Quickly. It should not take more than a minute now. I'm giving like a huge amount of time. Deepak Saini says one month, 3 months,
She's answering
2 months. Rajan sir, have we received the correct answer?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Yet, kids. 4 months, no. Until December 31, 3 months. 5 months, 6 months. Come on, kids. 7 months. Okay, so I see we have a correct answer coming in, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it is 2.5 months. So we have 2 classes in a week, and so it would be 8 classes in a month and 16 classes in 2 months. And since this is a 20-session course, so 4 classes again in the next month, so 2.5 months, right? So Rajan sir, do we have any other questions or?
No, I think Sanvi raising her hand. Sanvi, do you have any query, any question? You can write in the chat box. Are you writing? No. Okay, she don't have. I think, ma'am, we can start with the session then.
All right, great. So Supriya ma'am, over to you. I hope you all kids enjoy the session, and also like you have the pen and notebook with you to solve the questions.
Yes, are you people able to see my screen? Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll start Vedic Max, right? If you tell Vedic Max, what is the first thing you people will remember? So I'll be watching the chat box. I want you people to type fast so that we can learn more tricks. What is the first thing you remember? Vedic Max, Vedas. Good. Then no one is going to remember Max. Only Vedas. Yeah. So Vedic Max is nothing but it is a technique which we use using some formulas. In Sanskrit, we call formulas as sutras. Okay. We use some sutras to make a complex calculation easier. That is the meaning of Vedic mathematics. So let me quickly tell you this. What are the things I am going to cover today? What is Vedic Max and why Vedic Max? I already told you. So, and I'm going to teach you some multiplication tricks. Okay. So what do you mean by Veda? Before going to this, all such things, I want you people to pick up this challenge. and let me see how much time you people will take. Okay, so 30 seconds. I'm giving you 30 seconds to solve all these questions. Let's see who is going to meet this challenge. I want you people to send me all the answers at a time. I gave you 10 seconds extra. Please don't use calculators. Even if you use calculators, you can't do it in 30 seconds. Typing the numbers will take so much of time. Yes, the time is up. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Yeah, tell me. Please don't scribble anything on the screen. It really distracts. It's my sincere request. Okay, guys, tell me how many of you were able to solve 2 questions in 30 seconds. Please raise your hands. Okay, one. Only one person. How many of you are able to solve 2 persons? Okay. How many of you are able to solve 1 question in 30 seconds? 1 question. Okay, I can see many hands. Good. So Vedic Maths is a subject which makes you to solve 10 to 20 questions or minimum 10 questions in 30 seconds. That is the magic behind it. So let me teach you how. Very good, Deepak. Good. If you're able to solve 3, it is good. So before going to this, let me tell you what actually Veda is and Vedic Maths. I don't want you people to see all those things. Let me just share my whiteboard, or else you people will be reading this. Okay. Are you able to see my whiteboard? Yes, thank you. Okay. So Veda means, what do you mean by Veda? What do you mean by Veda? Okay, let me not waste much time. Veda is nothing but knowledge. Okay. We have extracted our Vedic Maths. I think you people know we have 4 Vedas, that is Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharva Veda. So we have extracted our Vedic mathematics from the last Veda, that is Atharva Veda. Okay. Atharva Veda. Now, to tell what actually the meaning of Vedic Maths, the Vedic Maths is a technique which includes 13 sutras, that is 13 formulas, 16 formulas or 13 formulas. Who is going to tell me? Anybody know about it? 13 formulas or 16 formulas? Anybody know about what do you mean by this sutra? No, right? Okay, let me just tell you. We have 16 sutras, that is 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas. In Vedic Maths, we use these 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras to make complex problems easier. So there is a man behind this. We call him as father of Vedic Maths. His name is Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. Okay, he is the one who gave us Vedic mathematics. Now let us jump into tricks. Now I am going to teach you the first trick. Before teaching you the first trick, why I'm not going to teach you the, what is that, theory. I'm starting with the tricks. Fine. Just have a look at what I'm writing. If you want to multiply this with 5, how much time will you take? So this is the answer for this problem. Right? 1 minute. But we can solve this within seconds. So let me teach you that trick first. Okay. The first trick is multiplication of a number by 5. So I want you people to listen to me first. First you understand the trick. Later you can write it. Okay. So First, I am going to teach you. Suppose if I want to multiply 2486 by 5, what I have to do? I hope everyone know 2's table. Is there anyone who don't know 2 table? No, right? Okay. So what you have to do is, whatever the number they have given, you are going to divide it by 2. Okay. If you divide it by 2, what is the number you are going to get? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, right? So after dividing it by 2, you are going to add 0 at the end. So that is how we'll get the answer 12430. But remember, this trick will work if the number is even. I hope you people can differentiate between even and odd numbers, right? So if the number is even, then only this trick is going to work. If you want to learn, if the number is odd, then you are going to come to me in my live classes. Okay, this is how we are going to use it. Let me just give you one more number. I want you people to solve it within a second. Into 5. Let me see who is going to give me fast. If you're not understanding, you can ask me. I'll teach you again. No issues with that. Yeah, Sinesh. Okay. Let me just, very good, Pranshu. Shreya, check your answer. Have given you more digits. Sian, Sinesh, please have a look. Let me teach you. Let me take one simple example and I'll show you. If you want to multiply 24 into 5, what you are going to do? You are going to take 24 and you are going to divide it by 2. If you divide 24 by 2, then 2 ones are 2, 0, 4, 2 twos are 4, right? So the quotient which you are getting is 12. To the quotient, you are adding 0. That is how you are going to get the answer. Is it clear now? Sanish, respond. Good. Okay. Then you can try this. Good, guys. Here, so many people are giving me correct answers. Very good. Nice. So any doubts with this trick? Shall we go to the next one? Or do you want me to wait? Is anyone doing it? Do you want me to wait? Okay. Guys, please don't raise your hands. If you have any doubt, please put it in the chat box. I cannot unmute you. We can speak how much ever you want in the live classes, but not now. Okay, I'll wait for one more minute. Please send the answers. Good, Varada. Whoever has completed this trick, this problem, let me give you one more. Have a look. I think you people can write the answer with me. Into 5. Yes, very good, Pranshu. How is the trick? Easy or difficult? No answers for that? Good, everyone are busy in giving me answers. Very good. Atav, Anishka, I can say so many are giving me correct answers. Good. Anishka, you just cross-check your last numbers. Rudra, cross-check your last 4 digits. Sushant, cross-check. Cross-check your answer, Sushant. Yeah, Rudra, you have to cross check your last 4 digits. Read me. I don't know what's your name, but you have to cross check your answer. So what will be the correct answer for this? Let me solve it and please cross check whether you are getting the correct answer or not. 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 7, 6. Right? 1, 4, 4, 0. How many of you got this answer? I think most of you got this answer, right? Good. Nice. Now let me take you to the one more interesting trick. Now I have taught you how to solve a problem if we want to multiply it with 5, right? Now let me teach you, see, 78 into 99. How much time will you people take to solve this? Tell me, how much time will you people will take to solve this? 1 minute. Good. Then any other answer? 1 minute. Any other answers? 5 minutes, 2 minutes max, 20 seconds. Good. Who is that going to take only 20 seconds? 42 seconds. Okay. So let me teach you an easy trick which you can do within 30 seconds. Okay. So have a look. First, what I am taking. This is my first number, right? 78. So the first step is I'm going to subtract this particular number by 1. So if I subtract it, I'll get 77. Correct? So this is your first step. So going to the second step, here you are going to use one Vedic maths formula. We call that as all from 9 and last from 10. I'll tell you elaborately about this when you join the class. This is the formula I'm using over here. So I'm taking the original digit, that is my 78. Okay. I'm using that sutra according to this last from 10. So this is my right hand side. Right hand side first number is considered as last number. So I'm going to subtract that particular number with 10. Rest all numbers. I have only one number over here. I'm going to subtract it with 9. So what is 10 minus 8? It is 2. 9 minus 7? 2, right? So the answer will be 7 is my first part of the answer and 2 will be my last part of the answer. So the answer is 2. Is that clear to everyone, or do you want me to explain it again? Yes. You want me to explain it again? Is there anyone who didn't understand? Yeah, Radhya, do you want me to explain it again? If yes, please put it in the chat box. Okay. Fine. So have a look. So can you see my spotlight? Can you see my spotlight? Yes. So this is my number 78. So I need to multiply this with 99. The first step is I'm going to subtract the 79 by 1. So if I subtract it, I'll be getting 77. This is my first part of the answer. Clear? Next, let me go to the second step. So I have 78. Here I'm using all from 9 and last from 10 formula. Okay, sutra. So according to this, the last number, whichever you have, you are going to subtract it with 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2, right? Then whatever the numbers you have left over, you are going to subtract it with 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is how you got the second part of the answer. Clear? Any confusions? Let me give you one more so that your confusions will be okay. Do this 29 into 99. Araja, is it clear or do you have any confusions? Okay, good. Yeah, good, Pranshu, good. 2810. Okay. 2871, 2810, 2817. Why, guys, you are giving me so many different answers? Which is the right one in this? Please tell. I need to join from another device, right? Yeah, you can join using the same link, Sanvi. Okay. I'm getting so many different answers. 2851. Please cross check your answers before putting in the chat box. Cross check. Yes, I'm going to give you the correct answer over here. 2871. How many of you got this answer? Do you want me to explain it? Okay, I'll explain it. See, the first step, what I'm doing is good. The first step is I'm subtracting with 1. That is how I'll get 28. Okay. Now I'm taking the same number and I'm using that formula 10 and 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2 is how much? 7. So I got 2871. I'm writing in this direction. Okay. This is how we need to do it. Any doubts? Sejal, is it clear? Respond. Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. Now let me take you to the another things. So before going to the next one, I want to give you few problems to check how fast you can do it. Okay. So if I increase the number of 9s, so how we are going to do it? Let me teach you that also before giving this problem. See, suppose if you have 3 digits, 3-digit number, if you want to multiply with 999. First take this number, 782. The steps are same. You are going to subtract it with 1. So you will get 781, right? You are taking the same number and you are using that sutra, that is formula, all from 9 and last from 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2. So my answer is 781,218. This is how we are going to do with 3 digits. Clear? Okay. So good dear. I'll give you. Please send all the answers at once. Don't send one answer because it is really difficult for me to check whose answer is right. Okay. Send all the answers at once. If you have any doubts, you can message me. I'll teach you again. Is everyone understanding how to use the formula? Okay, which formula you are speaking about? Is it all from 9 and last from 10? Atar. Okay. Fine. So let me take one example for that. So if you have 285 into 999, okay. So I'm just telling you how to use that all from 9 and last from 10 formula, okay. So I'm taking this number 285 according to the formula all from 9 and last from 10. This is my last number. I'm writing 10 on top of it. Rest all numbers I'm writing 9. So 10 minus 5. Here I'm doing subtraction, that is minus, right? So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 2 is how much? 7, right? So 715 will be your last part of the answer. Is that clear now? Yes, okay. Sorry. Guys, please send all the answers at once. Yeah, very good, Pranshu. Good. Very good. I'm getting all the answers correct. Awesome. Awesome. I'll wait for 1 more minute. Please send me answers fast. Okay. Please mention the number, question number when you are sending one answer. Okay. Yes, very good. What is the first answer? Is everyone getting the same answer or different answers? Is everyone getting the same answer for the first one? I hope many are doing still. It's okay if you take time in the first class. Fourth one, okay. 988011 is your second answer. How many of you got this answer? Cross check your answers. If you're not getting the correct answer, when it is add, that I'll be teaching you in the live class. Okay. So I hope some of you doing the fourth problem. Please do it fast. Second one, do you want me to explain? Okay. So 989 into 999, right? Okay. So I'm taking 989 minus 1. So I'll be getting 988. So I'm taking the same number 10, 9, 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0. So I'll be getting 988011. Clear? Vedant, is it clear? Good, Gagan. Okay. If you're clear with that, your answer, then it is good. Cross check your fourth answers. Many of you have sent me wrong. Guys, send me fast. I'll give you only 1 minute time. Good, Varada. Done? Shall we go to the next one? So let me just complete these answers now. Just cross check whether you people are getting the same answers or not. Cross check your answers. If you're not getting, please do it again. You will get it. So the last answer is 83545311645468. Do you want me to explain the fourth one? Okay. Yes, good. Very good, Vihan. So you're just using your, sorry, just a minute. Okay. So you want me to explain this, right? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are how much? 16. I don't have space over here. I'll just write it over here. So if you do this, you will get the answer. So at the end, you are going to add 0. Is that clear? All correct? Very good. Very good, guys. Okay. Guys, please have a look. These are the correct answers which I have written. Cross check with your answers. You can write the questions and answers. After the demo, you can practice it. Okay. Fine. Let me go to the next trick for the day. So I hope many of you know this trick. I don't know whether you people know it or not. So suppose if I want to multiply a number with 11. How many of you know this trick? Raise your hands. Is there anyone who knows this trick? Okay, I can see many of you know this trick. Very good. Fine. So have started getting the answers. No, not yet. Okay. So what you have to do is, this is your first number and this is your second number. Whoever don't know the trick, learn it. So I'm writing the first number over here, the last number at the end. So in order to fill the gap, I'm going to add both the numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9. Pranshu, are you feeling sleepy? Is it so boring? Or am I teaching the tricks which you know? Okay. Fine, I think I have missed one. Just a minute, wait. Yeah, okay, fine. No issues. So if you have a double number, something 58 into 11, if I want to do this, how I'm going to do? The same thing, 5 I'm writing first, 8 at the end. If I add 8 plus 5, what is the answer I'm going to get? What is 8 plus 5? Okay. Fine. Yeah, tell me. 13, right? 13. Okay. So if it is 13, I cannot keep this 13 as a middle term. So what I have to do? I have to write 8 as it is. In this, I'm keeping 3 as it is. I'm sending this 1 towards the left. So it will become 638. Okay. This is the another trick. It is not 5138, Vihan. You are not supposed to keep your double digit in the middle. So you are just keeping your single digit and you are sending your another digit as a carry forward. So you told me, ma'am, we know this trick, right? Let me teach you one more last trick. So if you have something like this, 236 into 11. So how we are going to do? Have a look. So first I am writing the first number and the last number as it is. So after this, here I have a double digit, that is 11. So what I'm doing, I'm adding this 2. 2 plus 3, I'll get 5, right? For the next thing, I'm adding 6 plus 3, I'll get 9. This is how we are going to get the answer. Is it clear? Yes. So let me give some problems, few problems or based on this. Any doubts? Do you want me to teach it again? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Let me teach it. Just a minute here. I'll just give you a few problems. Later I'll come to you. Many have doubts in it. So suppose if I want to do 121 into 11. So what I have to do? This is my first digit and this is my last digit. I'm keeping the first digit. You can't see the screen. How about others? Are you people able to see my screen? Show me thumbs up. No? No one are able to see my screen? How about others? Can you people able to see my screen? Yes? Okay, fine. So you are going to write 1 at the first digit at the first place and the last digit at the last place. So what you have to do for the next thing, since you have 11, 11 is a double digit number, you are going to add this 2, 1 and 2. So if you add it, you will get 3. For the next number, you are going to add 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is 1, 3, 3, 1. Is that clear now? Okay. Yes, do this 5 problems and send me the answers. Very good, Harsh. You are not able to get the 3 digit. See, if you have 3 digit, let me just take ABC. You are going to add, first you are writing A as it is, C as it is. Then you are adding A plus B. Then you are adding B plus C to fill the second and third gaps. That's it. Clear? Yes, I am getting all the correct answers. Very good. Good. So I hope everyone understood this. I hope you people have enjoyed the session. So how was the session? Do you want me to explain? Fourth one. Okay. Before ending this session, let me just explain this. 523 into 11, right? I'm writing 5 and I'm writing 3 at the end. In order to fill the gaps, I'm adding this 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 5753. Clear? Gagan, is it clear? Clear? Very good. Okay, I can see all the answers correct. Fine. So let me just, before ending the session, I want you give me some feedbacks. How was the session? Did you people enjoy the session? Is it boring? You can please put it in the chat box. I'll read it. Great. Okay. No. No, ma'am means what? Last one is 6853. Good. Very good. Great. Then only one word answer. See, I have taken one complete R. You are giving one word answer. Very understandable. Good. Who is going to give me negative feedback? I'm waiting. Is there anyone who is going to give negative feedback? Very tiring because I had business. So that is fine, dear. It is just like a mind refresher. Okay. Fine. Awesome. I think even your parents has learned some tricks from today, right? I think your parents are sitting with you people. Yes or no? Raise your hands. I think even your parents are learning. Oh, very nice of you, Rudya. Okay, they're not. Okay, Sanvi. Good. Okay, guys, we'll meet you in the live session. I'm very happy to teach you people. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.